Ever wish your body came with built-in superhero armor? Like, imagine walking around with invisible shields that protect you from the bad guys inside. Yeah, I'm talking about cancer cells. Now here's the twist. You don't need fancy potions or pricey supplements. The secret weapon might already be sitting in your kitchen. Stick with me, because today we're talking about one simple food that flips on your body's natural anti-cancer shields, without you needing to wear a cape. Let's face it, life is stressful. We're juggling deadlines, family, and maybe a few too many late-night pizzas. Add pollution, processed snacks, and that mysterious energy drink you grabbed last week, and our bodies are constantly under attack. Tiny damaged cells start to pile up, and over time, some of them can grow into dangerous troublemakers. That's the sneaky reality of how cancer risk builds up. But don't panic. Your body isn't defenseless. It just needs the right fuel to fight back. Here's the cool part. Scientists have found that certain foods are packed with compounds that literally switch on protective genes in your body. Think of them as little repair crews that spot trouble, rush over, and fix broken DNA before things get ugly. These foods also activate antioxidants. Those are like your body's cleanup squad, sweeping out harmful toxins and calming down inflammation. Translation? They keep your internal superhero shields fully charged and ready. So what's this magic food? Drumroll please, it's broccoli. Yep, not a mysterious pill or an exotic berry from the Amazon. Just humble, everyday broccoli. Before you roll your eyes, hear me out. Broccoli contains a compound called sulforaphane. Don't worry, no quiz later. That's been proven in countless studies to protect cells from becoming cancerous. It basically tells your body, hey, let's suit up, and kicks those anti-cancer shields into gear. And no, you don't have to eat it raw like a rabbit to get the benefits. All right, let's get practical. The best way to unlock broccoli's superpowers is to lightly steam it. Overcooking? That's like giving Superman kryptonite soup. Steam it for 3 to 4 minutes, and you'll preserve the sulforaphane. You can toss it into salads, add it as a side dish, or blend it into a green smoothie. And here's a pro tip. Pair it with mustard seeds or radish. They boost the activation of sulforaphane, making your shield twice as strong. Now, nobody wants to live on broccoli alone. That's just culinary punishment. The good news? Other cruciferous veggies like kale, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts are part of the same superhero team. Rotate them through your meals, and you'll be feeding your body a steady stream of anti-cancer nutrients. It's like recruiting the Avengers for your health. Each one brings its own special power to the table. Don't have time for fancy meal prep? No 𝘞𝘢𝘕. Chop up raw broccoli, sprinkle it with olive oil, a dash of lemon juice, and snack on it like popcorn. Or stir-fry it with garlic and ginger for a quick dinner. Even adding just half a cup a few times a week makes a difference. And if you're the type who always forgets veggies, frozen broccoli is just as powerful as fresh. No excuses, you can keep it stocked year-round. Think of broccoli as that one friend who doesn't look flashy at the party, but secretly saves the day when your car won't start. You may not crave it like pizza or ice cream, but it's quietly protecting you behind the scenes. It's like insurance, except instead of paperwork and monthly bills, all you have to do is chew. And honestly, that's a pretty sweet deal. Here's a bonus. Sprouts, especially broccoli sprouts, are like broccoli on steroids. They have 20 times more sulforaphane than mature broccoli. A small handful in your sandwich or salad gives you a major health upgrade. But a quick caution. If you're on blood-thinning medication or have thyroid issues, talk with your doctor before loading up, just to be safe. Remember, natural remedies work best when they complement, not replace, professional medical advice. So there you have it. One humble food, broccoli, has the power to activate your body's natural anti-cancer shields. Add it to your meals, pair it with its veggie friends, and let your body fight back the way it's designed to. Now, if you learned something new today, smash that like button, drop a comment with your favorite way to cook broccoli, and hit subscribe for more simple, science-backed health hacks. Because protecting your body doesn't have to be complicated, it just starts with one bite.